Okay, so this is my first how to make clay video. You are going to need the color purple, black, and blue. If you don't have any purple, you can just mix pink and blue. Well, if you don't have any of those, you have to buy clay colors. Once you finish mixing these, it's gonna look like something like this. So, the first step is we're gonna make the legs. So just keep rolling like this, and then since it looks too pointy, the legs, we're gonna have to squish and squish so it can stand on the floor. So we're gonna you have to repeat this step 4 more times. So we have 4 legs. So here's 2. And here's another 2. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the body. Get more. If you still have some spare clay from the legs, then use that. Okay, so now make the body. The body's gonna just make a circle and then make the circle like this. There you have it, a body. And squish it a little bit. Make a little hump. And, well, like a bump. Make a little bump. And there you have it, a body. Now stick the legs on. Okay, so now that we've attached 2 legs, attach the other 2. So it's gonna look like this. Like this. Oh, I forgot one more color. You're also gonna need brown for the tail. Rhinos have tails, right? Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the tail. Just take a little weeny bit of brown like this. Then roll it up into a circle. Then one end, you see basically actually just squish one side and then squish right in the middle. So it's gonna look like this. Now get your purple clay again and just make like a tail. Make it long and then get this like hair, then stick it onto the tail. There. And now stick it on to the rhino's butt. Pin the tail on the rhino. There. It should look like something like this. Oops, it fell. It should look something like this. So now, get your purple clay again to make the head. Oh, wait. I'm so forgetful today. We also need white. White. Okay. So make the head with a circle like this. And then stick it on. But if it's too small, just add some more clay. Add some more clay to make it bigger. Keep rolling it. It should look like this. Something like this. There you have it, a rhino with a head. But the rhino's not finished yet. Now let's add the horns. This is how to make the horns. Just make it like this, but make sure it's not too long like this. Make sure it's like this. Now squish the bottom and then squish the bottom to up so it's like soft, well, like it's smooth. And then make a little curve. It should look like this. But if you think it's too big, just remove some clay and then repeat the same steps and it should look something like this. Now, there's one. And there is two. There's two. Now let's add the eyes. Get your black. And make sure when you've finished, close all your clay packets. Okay. Get your black, just take a tiny piece. Uh-oh, my black's dried. I'll go get more. Ah, I don't have any more black. Well, if your black's dried, like an emergency that I'm having, just get this a black piece, and since the clay is still wet, stick it on to the eyes. There you have a rhino. Ah, I keep forgetting. I'm forgetting everything today. Get your blue. For the legs. For like the toes, see? Add 3 of them. Continue that step for all of the feet. And there's 1 foot. There's the other foot. See? And there you have it. Bye. See you next time.